everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor B Beauty, and this video is going to be a review on the Glossier Balm.com lip balm. Please be sure to subscribe, share, like, comment, click the bell notification so you're updated every time that I upload. And let's just jump right into this video. I have 3 of the balms. These are the Mango Balm, the Rose Balm, and the Mint Balm. They sell them in 3s, so you can buy one individually for 12 bucks, or you can buy a pack of 3 for 30 bucks. And when you get the pack of 3, it's free shipping. So I don't know exactly what the limit for free shipping is, but I know that if you get the just one, it's not free shipping, but if you get all 3, it is free shipping. So this is the first one. It is the mint one, and this is actually called the Universal Skin Salve. So not the mint one because it has menthol in it, but the other ones, you can use them on your lips, your cuticles, your elbows, on your friend, anywhere that needs some love. So the mint one just says, swipe onto your lips for a loving layer of nourishing moisture. So it comes in a box like this, and then on the side, it's got a little girl or a lip with some ice cubes in it, and then on the side is just this girl. And then you open up the box, and it comes with 0.5 fluid ounces. So this is what it looks like when you get it, and it is just a squeezy tube. So as you can see, it squeezes and you open it up, and this one smells like, the closest thing I can compare this to is like Thin Mints, the cookie, or like the chocolate Andes chocolate. It doesn't smell like gum. It smells kind of like candy. And then you squeeze it out a little bit, and it is, this one is untinted, but it is obviously scented because it is minty, and it just goes on really smooth. The closest thing I can compare it to is like a Vaseline. The ingredients are petroleum, which is obviously Vaseline, beeswax, seed oil, menthol, which makes it minty, sunflower extract, rosemary extract, and some other stuff. So that is the mint one. This one is the rose one, and for the rose one, it has cute roses on the side, and the lips, of course, and then the girl right here. And this is the rose one, and this one is rose scented, obviously, and that's what this one looks like. It's got pink and then a green lid. It is the same squeezy tube. This one is tinted lightly. It's also scented, but it's very, very, very light. So you squeeze some out like that, and it is a pink tint. So it is really sheer, but it is still a pink tint. So as you can see, kinda, it's just a very fine Vaseline base. It's the same consistency, same texture, but it is rose scented. I like the rose one. I like the idea of having 3 because you can just put one in your car, put one in your purse, put one on your nightstand, and then that's 3. I clearly live in a cold area, so I'm probably not going to leave mine in the car, because when I got these, I got them in the mail yesterday, and when I got them, they were hard to squeeze out at first, so I can only imagine that if you were in a cold environment that it would be very hard to squeeze it out. So I wouldn't leave it in your car and stuff like that overnight, and I also probably wouldn't leave it in your car in a hot weather either, because it might melt. I can't confirm that, can't confirm nor deny it, but it might happen. This is the mango one. The mango one is scented, obviously mango, and it is very strong. It is a very strong scent, so if you are not interested in a strong scent like mango, I would not get this one. They have, I think, 8 or 12 all together. So there's the birthday cake one, which I think is untinted, but it has glitter in it, and maybe it smells like cake. There's a coconut one, mango original, which is unscented and untinted, the mint, there's a berry, there's a cherry, there's, I think that's it. So anyway, this mango one has a sheer coral tint, so it is a little bit different from the rose tint, but they're all pretty much sheer. I know that the cherry and the berry ones are like not that sheer, like you can really tell that they're on your lips. It's like a light tint, but these ones you can't really tell. It is a really strong mango scent. I'm trying to think about what I can compare it to. I don't know, but it is very strong, so if you don't like mango, I would not suggest you get this one. But I love them so far. I'm really a chapstick balm type of person. I really love Carmex. Put it on last night, and when I woke up, my lips were not dry. They weren't cracked or anything. And then I was wearing them throughout the day. I reapplied them maybe once every 2 hours, and my lips were not dry. I know that some lip balms really dry out your lips to make you want to use more of them. I did not find that with these ones. They're really hydrating and moisturizing. I want to let you guys know how I like them further on, but this is just a simple, quick review, unboxing of them. That's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. If you're interested in seeing more videos from me, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so that you are updated every time that I upload. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.